Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Avalanche tokens from your Tangem wallet to your Phantom wallet. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, Phantom is super user-friendly for managing multiple assets, and Tangem offers top-notch security, so switching between them can optimize your crypto experience. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device with your Avalanche, AVAX, tokens inside. Don't forget to have the Phantom wallet set up and linked to your account. Also, keep some extra AVAX on hand for network fees. These can vary based on blockchain congestion. Let's get to the steps. Start by opening your Tangem Wallet app and navigating to your Avalanche assets. Look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Once you tap it, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. That's where your Phantom wallet comes in. Head over to Phantom, copy your wallet address, and paste it into Tangem. Double-check that address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive and unforgiving. Next, specify the amount of AVAX you want to transfer. Remember to leave enough for those gas fees I mentioned earlier. Hit Confirm and review the transaction details one last time. You'll be prompted to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Once that's done, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly on the Avalanche network, which is known for its speed. After a few minutes, switch back to your Phantom wallet and refresh the app. You should see your AVAX tokens appear in your balance. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it a bit more time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Avalanche's official site. A quick word of advice. Always use secure networks when making transfers, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, consider testing with a small amount first. There you have it. That's how you transfer Avalanche from Tangem to Phantom in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.